Hello students, let us see this question here. The ratio of intensities at the maximum and minimum in the interference pattern is 20 is to 9. What will be the ratio of the width of the two slits in the Young's experiment? So let us see this question here. Okay, so as you all know, it is saying rate intensity I max upon I min is equal to given 25 is to 9. So I max will be equal to, suppose the intensity is I1 plus root I2 square divided by root I1 minus root I2 square. This will be I min, and that is equal to 25 upon 9. So if I do this, you will get here I1 root plus I2 root divided by I1 root minus I2 root is equal to, right, if I take the square root both sides, we will get here 5 is to 3. Now if I take this one, so 3 root I1 plus 3 root I2 must be equal to 5 root I1 minus 5 root I2. Right, if I take I1, right, if I take I2 this side, so we will get here 8 I2 root is equal to, and if I take this side, then we will get 2 I1 root. So from here I can say 8 I1. So if I take, so this will become 8 upon 2, and that will be equal to I1 upon I2 root of this. So if I, so this will become 4. So this will 4, and if I do the squaring both sides, then we will get 16 upon 1 is equal to I1 upon I2. Okay, so let us call this is equation 1. So I1, what is happening here? Suppose it is the Young's double slit experiment is happening like this. All right, and suppose this is the screen here. So at any point it is given. So suppose light is reaching here, and this is light is reaching here like this. All right. So here suppose intensity is I1, and here due to one light, suppose this is the one, and this is supposed to light 2. So for one the intensity is I1, and for the second slit the intensity is suppose I2. Now this intensity I1, it can be written like, suppose the here the power is P 1, and here suppose the power is P2. So I1 will be equal to P1 upon 4 pi. Suppose the distance from here to here is approximately r, so 4 pi r square, and the I2 will be equal to P2 divided by 4 pi r square. So okay, so I1 upon I2, so right, so distance of these two slits from this point will be same, approximately r, so 4 pi r square I have taken. So from here I can say I1 upon I2 will be equal to P1 upon P2, because 4 pi r square will get, right, will get cancelled out, and the P1 can be written like, suppose here the light is coming like this parallelly, and suppose the intensity of light coming is I. So this will become, so the power is equal to Ia into cos theta. So since since the area vector and the direction of propagation of incoming light both are in the same direction, so it will be I into A1. So the power is equal to I into, so power is equal to I into A1, area of this slit, and here it will be I into A2. So once again I will get cancelled out, and we will get here A1 upon A2. Now the area of the first slit, it is saying the ratio of the width. So suppose the length of both the slits are same. So suppose the length is L, and here the width is W1. Okay, and for the second slit also assuming the length to be same L, and width is W2. So L into W1 is A1, and L into W2 is A2. So these two will once again get cancelled out. So we'll get here I1 upon I2 is equal to W1 upon W2. So I can say from here this I1 upon I2 is equal to W1 upon W2, and this is what is asking the question, what will the ratio of the width of the two slit in the double slit experiment. So the ratio of intensity will be same as the ratio of the width here, so that the answer is 16 raised to 1. So option 2 is coming. Okay, students, I hope you understood this question.